Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So guys, to start off this video, I just would like to ask you, have you ever tried to, let's say, copy the picture from the internet into this cell of the Google Spreadsheet? Well, it is actually okay if you would like to insert the picture, let's say from the internet or the device that you have now, and then you can simply paste it and also resize and also place it like in the Microsoft Office. So it is actually okay to do that. But here in this video, I'd like to show you how the faster way to insert the picture in each cell precisely and will be fit for this cell. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step I will do is I will place the cursor into the cell of E3 that we would like to look for the picture of Chadwick Boseman. And also for the picture of Chadwick here, we have already provide the link that content of his picture here. Then the first step we will do is type the equal, then I will type image, and it will show you the open parentheses, and after that you can click this cell of F3 that contains the link of the pictures of Chadwick Boseman and just simply wrap it up with the close parentheses and enter. It will take you a while, like 1 second or 2 seconds, and there you go. The picture of the Chadwick Boseman will be inserted here very precisely. And you can also simply drag it down so that the picture of Michael B. Jordan and Letitia Wright will be inserted here. And as you can see here, the picture is already fit on almost fit with the cell of each picture. And you can also place the position, let's say in the left, on the left, or in the middle and right section. And you can also place into the middle again. That's all guys. I hope this simple tutorial helpful for you, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please do not hesitate to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to practice it guys. Bye bye.